All right, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another live session. Welcome back. Welcome back. Not to mention, it's a new year, so let's aim for green today. All right, that's all I'm gonna say about that. Anyhow, for me, it's just another day. Uh, as you're tuning in, be sure to check out the disclaimer on screen. Remember that day trading is risky. A lot of people are having a hard time. These results that you see here on the channel are not typical, and copy trading does not work. All right. Lastly, I do not invest for my subscribers, so be careful of fake accounts. With that being said, let's talk about what's moving and what's not. The watch list, as it's been the last couple of days, is quite extensive, but I'm gonna still have a top 3 that I'll be focusing on here early. And by the way, let me start up my screen recording just so I don't forget. And this is all the way up here. We'll pull it down. All right, all right. That's good. You guys make sure your screen recordings are turned on. Yeah, so I have for my top 3 stocks, CTCX, REVB, and ITO. Those are my top 3, and I can pull up the watch list on the left hand side here too. There are other ones like AIE. Let's see. AEI rather. But this one pulled back a little bit, sold off. It's still relevant, but we'll see. ORIS, another stock, up 82%, kind of choppy and sideways for now. There are other ones that are here that could end up making a move. ALCE, this one around 5 a.m. pushed up nicely, has been pulling back. So again, coming into the open, a little bit of the trick, a little part of the trick is finding which stock is going to be strong. And sometimes it's not the most obvious, especially when you have about 8 stocks that are up over 45%. So as usual, I'm going to look to rotate early if the 3 that I have now are not, cutting it. So I can put, a couple more up here, and then let's see. So ORIS, NITO, XPON, yeah, so there's quite a few stocks. Marcelo also posting a couple of them there. If I could post a screenshot in the YouTube stream, I would. So I'll just post that in chat. And guys, I did get a few more DMs last night, which I'll respond to today after the live stream. All right, looks good, as it should. So to get a couple of trend lines going at least here, so let's see here. I think CTCX is the one that I'll watch into the open. It's up 220%, 94 million shares of volume. I'm gonna clear out some of the levels from the prior days. Let's see. So pre-market highs today are clocking in at 97.96. We have the 200 EMA on the daily at 104. This should be interesting. It's kind of close. Going back to October 16th, we had a day where we had a high of 127 and 203 million shares of volume. So that 127 mark, definitely a target. if we can be strong here. So we've been seeing recently a lot of stocks between 1 and like 150 be strong and get a lot of halts going up, and then push up to like 250. Can CTCX be one of those? That's what I'll be paying attention for. So we'll see. It doesn't look bad. REVB, again, this is another one up here that could be something. Let's see, let's split it up here. REVB up 136%, 51 million shares of volume. We got a bit of our current range here. Pre-market highs up there at 145. This is a stock that we've also looked at before. Let's see, August, it pushed up to 350, which is a little ways away from where we are now. We'll see how it does. The REVB, not bad. Nice move early, and we've been consolidating ever since. Can we see the next uptrend here? And then lastly on the list, another cheap stock in NITO. Pre-market highs on that one, 55 cents. Love the pullback down at 40. We'll see if it's able to curl back up to those pre-market highs. All right, with a couple seconds, let's look forward to trading to the best of our abilities here. Another disciplined day. CTCX, REVB, and others. CTCX is going to give a strong push right there. Talk about an opening surge. Oh my gosh. Well, I had the bottom with very small size and I sold early. And wow. REVB also a surprise push here early. If I can get like a lower average, but probably not. So REVB is also moving a little bit. Wow. Okay. What's the height? 26? I'm a little early there. I'm gonna buy back. Probably should have just added though. Are we breaking down? Looks like it is. Christmas tree for REVB. We have about 2 minutes to resumption on CTCX. I'm going to start a rotation here. XPON. XPON is interesting. It definitely has a bit of a range to it. I got a high fill. Okay, CTCX. We got about a minute. XPON has potential, but gearing up for the resumption here on CTCX, which is currently at 112. Very strong move. 54 for resumption. 10 seconds. Here we go. Oh, no. I'm early on the dip. It's halting down. That was a pretty fair trade, though. Well, I'll lose a full 10 cents, 12,000 shares. Christmas tree, perhaps. REVB is also halted down. Let me see if anything else is moving. GTI. XPON I'll keep an eye on. It's still fighting the low of that last candle. 86. Oh, wow. Taking a dip. XPON. Like the fills are not the best. You got to be careful with this one for sure. But I do like the range that it's offering. There's 2 minutes left in the 5-minute candle.
COEP halted. VNET COEP resumed at 9 hours 42 minutes and 24 seconds. RXRX. EOSC. SCDG. TMDX. NMRA may resume in less than a minute. REBP.
ARQQW. CTXR.
CGEN. UCL may resume in less than a minute. RXRX.
MTEDIC.
EOSC.
SGMO.
ALCE.
I don't love how the volume is looking, but if it holds high, could go for the ad. Just got to be careful with that selling pressure. Is it trying? Perhaps not. Okay, let's leave it alone for now. I'm gonna move on. Just check for anything else. CTCX is coming up. Let's see. 41.22. Well, 8 to 10 is only 2 cents. 41.22. CTCX, is there something to salvage here? Perhaps.
COEP may resume in less than a minute. NMODC may resume in less than a minute. MARX may resume in less than a minute. NMRG. WTT.
Oh, I got a bad fill there.
TRRR.
GRR. BOTDP.
It seems like it's struggling to get back over 1, so I'll take the salvage trades. I'll take the salvage trades. Yeah, CGBS, I have it up here. We'll see how it does.
WTT.
There's a lot moving, there's a lot going on. So trying to be patient, just lock in on one or two.
BTDR.
Mm.
BTDR.
Alright, let's just cut that.
SBCB.
Tragic entry there. Watching CGBS. We'll see if it continues here.
CGBS.
This one doesn't like to dip.
ATCX. RNIE.
OPTT.
WTT.
PC.
Okay. Seems we're seeing a 5-minute pullback.
GCT.
CTCX, nice red to green there so far. Hopefully it gets halted up.
MAI.
Hmm. Okay, maybe I missed this dip. Okay, maybe I did. Dang, a CTCX rejection. And there's a hidden seller. Okay. Alright, I gotta be careful here because we should have been off to a better start than this. CGBS. I gotta be careful of the pullbacks. Okay.
CTB.
BNC. COE.
Gotta be careful with the pullbacks. Too much to lose there. Too much to lose. I did want to add there, but my size would have been like very aggressive in case that would have failed miserably. So it's a good bounce. But again, I'm too high on the dip. Not bad. Probably should have held that a little longer, Sonny. Can we see 25? Yeah, it's not good. I gotta get a better hold of the dips, and then I can do well here. Not good. Not good. Not good. Okay, having a hard time here with this one.
RAIN.
CYM. HPC.
Having a hard time.
GA Index.
Ah, and then I don't add back like an idiot. Come on. Taking it a little high. And I needed to do a better job there adding back. Okay. I'm definitely having a little bit of trouble with it, but we'll keep trying. A bit of a false breakout there. My average a little higher than I would like here. Let's see. CTCX trying again. This time ABCD pattern. Hopefully gets halted up 110. It's trying. If it gets locked in, I'll definitely switch over to that one. Try again with that big size, perhaps. Alright, I just want to be careful of the halt down here on this one. Hold up.
CT. ATCH may resume in less than a minute.
Okay, it looks like CTCX is going to halt up.
CT. CTCX. ICG. LAES. CTCX halted. CTCX will resume at 9 hours 59 minutes and 19 seconds. Brain halted. QSI 9 hours 58 minutes and 35 seconds.
UPX. WRAP. XMXP.
GRRRW. QMMM.
That's not what I wanted to do.
ATCH.
It looks like I got a bit of a higher fill there.
ICG halted. ICG will resume at 9 hours 59 minutes and 23 seconds.
59.19 for that resumption.
CMPOW. CJYM.
HTCR. APM.
I kind of botched this trade a little bit, but it depends on if I get another chance here. Let's see. But I can always scalp it if I have to. 56. So we got a couple of minutes to that resumption, CTCX. I just got to be careful of the halt down, which did pull down a little bit, which is good. Let's see. Not the size I would want, but a little skeptical in case it fails. So I'm not going super heavy because I'd go like 30,000. Let's see. Still got some time for that resumption.
SPCB may resume in less than a minute. APM. QSI. NITO. LAES. MVST.
Oh, damn. Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, let's see. Resumption 14. 59.19. 59.19 for resumption on CTCX. Which means, let's see. I don't want to be in both stocks, but might have to, depending on how this plays out. I'll sell some break even here just in case.
SPG may resume in less than a minute.
And I'm stopped out.
RAIN.
Trying it again. I try it one more time here. Okay, I gotta look away to CTCX. This better not flash down as I'm watching this other stock. That's the main thing. Here we go, we're at 14. And gonna get a dip. Damn, no bounce still. Alright, let's cut this other one. Looks like we're just losing here. Yeah, no bounce on the dip on CTCX. That was a good dip, but we gotta get the move. Looks like we took a $300 loss here. 5-minute chart does look good, but still coming down. Coming down into oblivion. Okay, not bad, but you know, we see something here. Yeah, CGBS I couldn't get a good grip. It wasn't bad though. Missed a couple of the key trades. NITO, check this one out. Oh, there's so much moving in these markets. A million stocks. And this one looks like it was pretty good. I'm watching NITO here. Damn man, come on. I'm trying to hit my hotkey and like it's not hitting. Come on. That's ridiculous. So I gotta be careful of backside though, because I'm pretty late to this stock. Very late.
CCTG. OCC.
Yeah, okay, 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 okay. That's fair. That's pretty fair loss there. I got a high fill too. Lesson learned. Trying to be that aggressive. Oh, come on. Yep, yeah, okay. This one might not be good. This one might not be good. I got 20,000 shares too. By that I mean, by good I mean the fills are crazy. Let's see if it gives that bigger pullback.
BTC next may resume in less than a minute. BTCH may resume in less than a minute.
I should have insta-sell that.
I see G.
Some big levels here in case the 5-minute candlestick breaks down.
CT. CTC. I see G.
Quick trades, quick trades.
ATC. CG.
All right, done with that one. And that was a great trade too. My God. All right, let's see. Is there anything else? Brother, what was that? CGBS is fighting again, which is good. Bad news there. We've doubled our loss in a day now. Down 2K. Not good. SPCB. Let's check it out. Man, NITO too, man. Such a nice move up there, but SPCB. This one is also given a nice move. It's just so much moving. Continuation stock, high of day, 43. The low is 760. Maybe gets halted up here. 71. Was my mic muted? Holy shit. Man, it's been muted for a minute. New year, same me.
ICT, UST, USI, ICT, ICG, ICG, ICG halted. ICG resumed at 10 hours 21 minutes and 47 seconds. RAIN. NITO. USI.
Longer. Like risky up here. Man, NITO, man. What a monster.
USI. NMPG.
And no hold. The breakout itself not bad though. Bro. Come on.
ABMD. TCR.
This is not great.
APM.
Stop is killing me. Come on.
USI.
All right, fair fill.
HTCR. ATM. SPCB.
Damn, bro. Ridiculous. If that was coming down, I would have got murdered.
USI. BDMD halted. BDMD will resume at 10 hours. SPCB 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
88, the halt up, 88. It needs to get locked in. It needs to get locked in at this point.
USI. ICG may resume in less than a minute. SPCB. SPCB.
PC.
ICG. ICG.
Bro, man. All right, let me let me stay calm. Ah, that trade was so annoying, man. I took it perfectly, and that's how it plays out. And long for break of 980, which is the high of that resistance. Ay, ay, ay.
ICG.
We're seeing a bit of a false breakout. Probably best if we don't pull back too much. Because then we're just failing at that point.
AMB.
Let's see if it collapses. No, it's holding. It's holding for now. It's fighting. Wow, okay, I'm surprised it held up there. I was worried about taking that trade. It's going to be a 40-cent payout. Beautiful, beautiful. And it did look risky with this topping wick on the 5. That's the only reason I didn't take that.
ADMD. ICG. ICG.
CE.
Paper hands, perhaps. Short 18, looking for below 9. And there's above 9. What? What? They let me go short once, now I can't go again. What type of nonsense is that? And this is a massive bounce, by the way. Try to go short here again, but it's not letting me. Bro, what is that? They filled me to shears and then nothing the second time.
RGTIW.
NITO, man. Well, the good news is that we're back to flat on the day. And bad news is that we were down 2K. NITO, what a move.
DTIO.
And I looked away in this area after this move down, or as it was happening.
RGTI.
What I needed to do is to be here for this, or this one. Maybe even this, but again, I'm showing up and it's like, I'm just showing up late to it every time.
FFIE.
It's crazy how different the day could be depending on when you look at the stock, you know, or if you're watching the stock through and through. If the stock starts to look pretty weak, you look away to something else and the opportunity will cost. But with the fills, on the way up, if I wasn't like quick to be in early and like riding the wave, just like that, I could have missed the whole thing. SPCB, I'm thinking it's backside because of how this candle closed on the 5. Could be wrong, could have to wait some more to see, but our classic head and shoulders already being formed. You guys remember the head and shoulders been very prominent last week in terms of, an early indication that the stock is going to fail. And what's wrong with my computer? Computer's struggling here. Let's get rid of this. Or this computer, I gotta throw this computer away at this rate. Let's see how much of power is being utilized. 40% of the CPU, 56% of the memory. Oh, that's not terrible. Why is it struggling so much? Having like a really hard time. actually would like this stock over $1 NITO. I think maybe I could do better. But again, that's asking for a lot. Now I'd have to go to 150 for me to have a good day out of it. Will it happen? Probably not. Perhaps buying the bids is the way to go on this one.
GRRR.
FRGT.
USI.
Getting some pretty bad reads here.
CRI.
My accuracy's been 5% on this stock.
USI. NITO.
Bro,
EFL.
WNW. USI.
come on.
BDMD. MAL.
I gotta get back to flat quick. Come on, come on, come on. Where are the moves? Where are the moves?
USI.
All right, I'm a little late to that one. Just lingering down here. 12, halt up.
VIGL. VNAL.
NITO. USI.
I knew it. Over one, man. I could do better on this thing. Now I need it to go to 150. I'm to have a great day on it. Again. Go some more. Oh, and I sold soon. We need to get halted up.
USI,
AKTX,
LUNR,
Hmm. I don't love this trade. I'm late. Late as late can be.
USI,
18. Wow. Slacking. Halt up is at 18 and they didn't get back in. Fell asleep there for a sec. Missed a trade.
MTNB,
I don't mind it getting halt. I mean, this is fine if it gets halted up here.
USI, NITO,
Come on, let's get locked in. Let's get locked in. Come on. Halt up. Halt up.
SRFM, USI,
Wait, SPCB is still alive. Holy smokes. Forgot about this one.
MAR, resume in less than a minute.
Again, there's just so much moving, so our 5 minute candle does have a little bit more of a body to it here. NITO.
MTC, AERT, APRD,
Hmm.
QSI,
We'll see how this 5 minute candle closes.
BGLC,
MAO,
Oh, 2 back to 7. I mean, the candle could close green.
ARA1,
Probably could have held that position right there. What I'm thinking. My analysis a little slow, but it's okay. Oh, SPCB, big drop.
USI, ICG,
Really? Dang, who was... Okay, it's gonna break.
RAI,
How's it gonna be? 14.
UFLI,
Yeah.
SCG, I32,
Hmm. And I'm taking all the right trades, but my timing is in slums here.
SPCB positive, SPCB will resume at 10.
Okay.
46 minutes. Rain halted. RAIN will resume at 10 hours 45 minutes and 40 seconds.
Bit of a higher fill here. Alright, okay. Man, I can't believe I botched that red to green. Now that was too smooth, man. From 102 to 116, I made nothing. I got this flat and then red lost $700 there.
PDMD, NNOX,
The new 5-minute candlestick is 2 minutes out. I do like that we're still seeing higher lows. Try 96. Oh, that was so bad. Okay. Okay. Tried for the double bottom, it didn't work. It's a little early on that,
CMD,
as the red was still coming in, which wasn't good. BDMD. BDMD.
NI2O,
Oh, it's all the way down here. I'm not gonna watch it that. Dang, man. To end red on this stock is a crime here for me. Even in just above one, this was more than enough to get green. Yeah, above $1 is like way more than enough for me to get green there. Fumbled the last red to green, completely fumbled it. That could have pushed me up to 1K at least, and we made something on it. ICG 46. We'll see if this one has anything to offer. And I have the wrong level too. And the volume is super light anyway, so it's fine.
ICG.
And we see a break of 8. Nope. Titanic instead. Titanic shipwreck. Right back up to 780.
ICG.
BDMD, I think the volume is gonna be too light. I got this fan underneath my desk. I keep kicking it down. Alright, I'm gonna do a full rotation. XPON, no good. VSME, SP, CB, REVB, no good. ORIS, no good. NITO, ITO, is the resumption down worth it? Maybe. LGHL. Was CTCX the one I missed at the open? Oh yeah, I had the bottom of this candle, man. Tragic. CMCT. BDMD again, light volume, big spreads. And so that's everything. NITO. MBIO. Oh my gosh, these stocks they just come out of nowhere.
ESTM.
Bro, this thing's been moving. Like, how am I now seeing this? Something's not good.
NOX.
Something is not right if I'm now seeing this. It's just straight up the last couple of minutes. 34.80 for highs.
MNOX. EBNB.
It's definitely, again, I'm just so late to it. It's definitely moving slower than I would have expected on level 2 and tape. And I don't know my fill. El Pastor in the slums. Okay, 33. Good pop here. Great pop. And I'm missing everything. Lovely. No dips. And you blink, you miss it. Lost focus for a couple seconds down there, 33. Stock is in the moon.
HTC.
I missed that dip. Well, hopefully this one keeps going.
PGLC.
I see I already sold flat. Look at what's happening here. Think or swim. Bro.
BBNBFC.
Stupid as hell, man. That's 20,000 shares. Stuff like that pisses me off, man. And now I'm not in position to catch the next move up. Can't make this stuff up. Ridiculous.
HTTP.
I'm gonna keep count of how much money the broker robbed me this year.
ESTM.
2 days ago we got robbed like 2K.
ATC patch. APM. APM resumed at 11 hours and 25 seconds.
SPET.
Yeah, that was a high fill.
ESTM.
That's fair. Took too long to get in there. Pretty fair, pretty fair. 37. See, that's what I love. Fairness. Not no nonsense. So let's see how it does here.
LABR.
Fairness. Fairness is what we need. We can dance with that any time of the week. Any day of the year.
FFIE. Patch halted. HEPH resumed at 11 hours and 30 seconds.
Oh, come on. Alright, okay, okay. Now I'm digging myself another hole I'll have to work out again.
QUBT.
Can't believe how often I'm too high. Again. Oh, that was just terrible. Okay. 5-minute candlestick is under some stress. And I'm getting cooked. I'm getting cooked. Cooked alive. There's still 2 minutes in the 5-minute candle. But a new low to the VWAP.
QUBT. ICG. BDMD. QUBT. HEPH fans. PGLT halted. PGLT resumed. ICG.
No washout below the VWAP there. Well, I'm red again. What a disaster of a day this is. Too much chop to start. And now more chop again. Yeah, I have to stop. I have to stop. I gotta stop. I'm gonna come back later for something else. I don't understand why I can't make money on this thing, man. Every dip I take, it just goes lower and lower every time. Every time. My accuracy here is like 5%, similar to the start of the day with the other penny stock. Hmm. All right, that's gonna do it for me. Red 1K today. Was just green 1200 from red 2K to now red 1K again. Gotta call it. Gotta call it. All right, I'll catch you guys later. For those of you going the distance, continue to be disciplined, continue to be patient. I'm gonna take a break and then I'll come back smaller size, look for something else. Man, this is just too much of a swing today. I just couldn't connect on any of these stocks, man. I literally connected on one stock only. Red, red 5 stocks. Green on 1 or 2. All right, Pastor is out of here. And I'll catch you guys later. Stay safe, stay green. Hit that thumbs up on the way out. We're at 800 bucks here to end the day. To end the live stream, rather. We'll be back later. We'll see if something else moves up. But catch you guys.